What's up everybody? Welcome to another little outing with myself and Zaid. We are at... where are we? Timols Dam. There's not many dams we can go fish because of the whole country being on like a level 4 lockdown. But we managed to shoot out to Timols Dam, and it's a lovely day. It's turned out to be such a lovely day. Let's hope that we catch some good fish and have a fun day out. What's the water temp?
It was 9 when I checked, but maybe a bit higher.
Yeah, no, it's still sitting. No, it's 11. So 11. It's cold. So slow fishing. I've started off with the wacky rig. Let's see how it goes. Enjoy. Keep watching. But look, there's movement here, so there is fish here, but is it the right species? Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.
Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.
Like I'm thinking, should we skip this whole session, go to the wall?
Let's go to the
because we haven't had bites. But just look what's up ahead, bro.
I know, but
I know, it's so hard. That's the smallest fish I've seen you catch in a long time.
It's a fish.
Yeah, it is. This is good. What are you saying?
Nedrig.
Nedrig. Yeah.
Flip. Wait, I'll stand that side.
No, it's coming to the motor. This is a big fish. It feels like a really good fish. Oh my word. Yes!
Holy smokes. Jeez. Oh, the cat got his head. 2.26.
2.26, full picture. If I release this one, I'll show you guys one more time. Oh, beautiful fish. Okay, here she goes. End of the day, guys. We are getting off the water now. It's probably what, 4 o'clock, 10 past 4. It's been a tough day at Timols Dam. We didn't catch many fish. I caught one fish the whole day, which was a good fish. I think that's what made the day better for me. Yeah, wasn't great. Zaid caught 2 smaller fish on Ned rig, eh?
Yeah.
Yep, on Ned rig, but they were really small, and mine was on a Mojo a mojo rig with that little craw. Yeah, it really hammered us today. I was glad to get at least a 2.2 so I can put it into my kip net for the Outcast Club league we got going, and at least I've weighed in 2.2. Anyhow, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Not sure how it all came out, but yeah, it is what it is. Anywho, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, and send Zaid a message, say hi. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace, enjoy, tight lines. Cheers.